I started baking when I was 10 years old. I first started classes at the community centre. The first thing I baked was cheesecake, and so it became something I was passionate about. Then I decided that I should pursue this as my career research, and I thought SHATEC was the best choice for me.
I'm a chef Xavier, so I actually coached Zenny in the last couple of months. Okay, as a trainer, I actually had a chance to evaluate her performance, her behavior, her attitude in the class. I will evaluate her performance. Actually, is one of the most promising among her classmates.
My parents and I came down for the SHATEC open house, and we spoke to a friendly consultant during one of the consultation sessions, and we got to know that there's this Mr Tan Chay Bing scholarship. I come from a family of 4. I have a younger brother and my parents. My father works as a taxi driver and he's the breadwinner of the family. My mom is a housewife, and currently my brother is schooling in secondary school. I had financial assistance when I was in secondary school too. So far it's been beneficial to me because it is less burden on my family's financial issue. I got to quit my part-time job to support my family and focus more on my studies. I'm really doing what I like, very passionate about baking and pastry, so I get to be more exposed to different varieties of pastry, bread, cakes. So I really enjoy it here, and I feel that the chefs and the classmates are all really friendly, they're all very helpful and approachable. We also do a lot of project works together, and together we bond as a class, so the experience is really nice. The environment of the school is also very conducive for learning. We also get a lot of opportunities to go for competition. I recently got into the black box competition where I was supposed to create a dish on the spot using a mystery ingredient. Sometimes we have field trips, so it makes us more exposed to the real industry. We get to have more inspiration, more ideas for upcoming desserts we can plan on, like especially during competition time. I intend to further my studies in pastry and baking, probably most likely in the Culinary Institute of America, CIA, which I will obtain my degree, and hopefully that will make me gain more experience, more new knowledge, so I can create better desserts. One chef that inspired me was Zenny. She's a local chef.